I love the way you kiss me every night. I love the way you touch me, pull me right. But every day you keep on telling me that I should go, but I'd rather stay with you. I need to hold you, need to touch you right. I miss the way we were before. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel, and everybody sees you keep on running away. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel the same way as I do for me. I'm feeling good with you here right beside me. I'm feeling fine when you hold me, I smile. I need to know and give me one more chance to take it slow, but I'd rather stay with you. I need to hold you, need to touch you right. I miss the way we were before.
Wait. Hindi pa pala ako nakapag-intro, so pa-intro muna ako. And 1, 2, 3. So, tapos na ako mag-intro. And yan. Di ako nakapag-vlog on site dahil nahiya pa ako, and nasabi ko lang doon yung mga rate ng cottages nila. And dyan, kung papunta naman ng lugar sa Patitinan, Sangay, sobrang ganda ng daan. Though, meron siyang reblocking, pero okay na okay yung daan. Yung scenery habang nagda-drive, sobrang chill. And so pakita ko na lang sa montage video. And halika, punta na tayo ng Patitinan. And 1, 2, 3. What's up mga kabadayam? For today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Patitinan, Sangay, Patitinan Beach Resort. And so entrance fee 30 pesos for the cottages. So nagbabari siya kung paano nyo i-accommodate yung cottage. So for the overnight, so nagre-range siya ng 1,000 yung closed cottage nila, at open naman is worth of 700 pesos. Kapag hindi naman siya overnight, so yung open na cottage nila is 300 pesos, and yung closed naman nilang cottage is 500 pesos. And tara, enjoy na natin yung lugar. And that's for all. And syempre, kung nagandahan kayo sa lugar, please subscribe Madayan and don't forget to click the bell para naman notify kayo sa aking mga bagong uploads. So, pahabol lang guys. Hinay-hinay lang sa pag-akyat kasi nakakapagod po.